What is going on, everybody? Old School Gamer here, and today I'm trying something brand new. Hope it works. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I have a screen recorder on my phone, as you guys can tell. I have my headphones plugged in so I can talk through those. I don't know if it's picking up anything though. That's what I'm nervous about. And I don't want to sign in. Oh, okay, sure. I can't sign in with anything because, yeah. So I thought I'd do a little show off, car show. There we go, of my cars. I've got 30 cars. I use this one the most. Oh, this game's CSR Classics, by the way. I think I should have mentioned that earlier. So I'm just trying something new, and if this works, I'll do this because this game is awesome. I love this game. So I decided to do a little car show today. I've got 30 cars. Each car is in pretty rough shape. Yeah. I don't know how to explain why they're in rough shape. Well, the higher the car, like for tier, like up top underneath Plymouth Hemi-Cuda, tier 4, like the higher the car, the more expensive the parts are. So, yeah. Like this car, it's fully upgraded, and every car underneath should be upgraded fully too. So yeah, I decided to do this little car show to see if my phone can record games and pick up voices, and I think it'll work. I don't know. This is a beautiful car. I want this car one day in the future. I'll make sure I get it too. The GTO, another nice car. I saw a car just like this on the highway once, and it actually had oh, does it not have the stickers on it? Oh, the sticker in the front bumper there, the Judge. I was going down the highway and this car had the exact same paint job and everything with that Judge sticker on it and everything. It was awesome. I've never seen one like that before, and it was just so cool to see it. Another nice looking car, the Mustang GT. I never had to use it for anything, so it's not fully upgraded, as you can probably tell by the paint job. But it's done good, and this car is another one of my favorites. Again, not fully upgraded, but oh well, it still looks nice. The cars back then were like way aerodynamic for their time. Like just like the front hood of that car, the way they have it, oh, it looks so cool. I love it. Now, for all you Ferrari fans, this is still another work in progress. Never had to use it for anything. It could be worse though, so oops. Wrong one. No, I don't want to upgrade. Okay, next car. The Skyline GTR. For all you import fans. Oh, where'd I just go? Oh no. Okay, next car. For the people that don't know this game, CSR Classics, and for I don't know what it would be called for iPhone because I'm on Android. So like for Android it's CSR Classics. I don't know if it's gonna be the same for iPhone. It might be called something different. I'm not sure. Ford Gran Torino. This car is, I'm gonna admit, a boat. This car is massive. I don't think I've ever wait I've used it before, but it's a nice, mean, nasty looking car. It's a big car. It's just, oh, I like the back style, like the back tire just above like the body there. It looks nice. And then the front bumper, it's kind of confusing how they have it. Like the big weird shape there for the girl. Dirt Swinger. I don't think this is fully. Oh, is this fully upgraded? I think, yeah, it is. Okay. I've seen only 3 of these in real life. It's a slow acceleration but fast pickup, or the takeoff. It's slow, but the acceleration is pretty fast. Maserati. I know nothing about this car. I have it for one of the challenges that I had to do, and it was a good car. It was fast. I liked it. Mercedes Benz. I don't know what I got this car for because it's a weird body style, like the windows. It just looks so weird. Another Nissan. And again, I don't know what I got this car for. I think it was just for, I want to get every car in the game. Now this truck here is a mean, nasty looking truck. I destroyed every race with this thing. This truck was freaking awesome. BMW. Tiny car. I wouldn't have it myself if I had the chance to look at it because of how small it looks. But it got me good stuff in this game, so it's a good car. I've never done this before, so I don't know what to say about these cars. Next car. I have no idea what this car is. I've never seen it in real life. I know it says Ford, but I mean, like, I don't, like, it doesn't look like a Ford. I wouldn't be able to tell if it was a Ford or not if I saw it. Next car. The Camaro. This car, it's a beast. Little funny story I heard about this car. When Ford came out with the Mustang, Chevy a little bit later came out with the Camaro. And I heard Ford asked Chevy, "What is a Camaro?" And Chevy was like, "The Camaro is Mustang Eaters." And then to this day, I love Camaro for it because I just don't like Fords. So, yeah. That's the Camaro. Now we're in the very first row of cars. Mini Cooper, tiny little thing, fast little thing. I think it's a front wheel drive. I'm not too sure, but it's completely done up, all shiny, very tiny. And then my first ever car in this game, the Chevy Impala. This thing is nice. You gotta love it. And then I've never heard of this company, so I don't know what car this is. I know up there it says the Sprint GT. I don't know what it is. Um, Not wasting much time on that one. Another Chevrolet. I don't think I've ever seen before. Yeah, I'm like 98%. I've never seen this before in real life. The back of it looks like it should be the front of it. Like, just the trunk looks like a hood for the front of a car. I'm just trying to think. This should be like a weird. Like, I could make the back look like the front and then have like. So, like, copy that side over on that side and have it drive both ways. That'd be pretty cool. Because that looks like a front, too. Chevrolet Bel Air. I don't know what year this is. I don't think it says what year this is. I think it's a. I know it's in the 50s. I think it's in the 50s. I don't like. See, because like the way that back window is, I want to like guess it's like a 57 or something, but then it might be in the 60s too. I don't know. Were they in the 60s? I have car models. I'm just trying to see if I can find one. I know I have this in a car model somewhere. I think. I don't know what year this is. I think it's a 57 or a 60, 62. I don't know. I know it's in the 50s or 60s. That's all I know. Oh, I went backwards. Okay. Dodge. Oh, game froze. Come on. There we go. I would definitely own this truck if I had the chance. This is a nice looking truck. And then the Audi. The all new Audi R8. There we go. Look at that. Oh my god. That'd be too funny. And then a Lotus. For the when did I buy this? Oh, I remember now. There was a event I had to do. Okay. And again, it's not fully upgraded because of the star on the bottom. And then there's like a ton more cars. There's hot rods and everything. Too far. There's hot rods, Alfa Romeos, GM, AMCs, Aston Martins, Audis, BMWs, Chevys, Dodges, Fords, Ferraris, GMs, Jaguars, Lambos. Oh yeah, the Lambos. They look pretty weird. Where's that weird one? Is this it? This is it. This is a weird Lamborghini. I bet it would cost a lot of money to get. It looks nice in blue. This one here is a nice one. The Merca. I'd get this one if I had the the gold coins for it. There's Lancia, Lotus, Maserati, Mercedes, Mercury, Mini, Nissan, Oldsmobile, Plymouth, Pontiac, Shelby, Toyota, Willys. I think it's the Jeeps. Oh no, it's not. It's the that one, and another one like that. I'm thinking Willys for Jeeps because I know there was Willys for Jeeps. Anyways, that is it, everyone. I think. I hope. Man, this game kills phone batteries like crazy though. So if you're playing it, I suggest you don't have the brightness all the way up. And that is it, everyone. Thank you all for tuning in. And if you liked these types of phone videos, I have emulators I can show you all. So leave a like down below if you want to see that. And until then, goodbye. Now how do I stop this? I've never used this before. Screen thing, come on, where is it?